Hi everyone, welcome to Allu Srinivas Maths class. Now we discuss GATE 2020 Mathematics solutions. The question is, which one of the following options contains two solutions of the given differential equation? dy by dx equal to y minus 1 of x. What are the two solutions of the given differential equations? Which one is the correct in the given options? So, first we have to find the one solution of the given differential equation. First we write the given differential equation is dy by dx equal to y minus 1 of x, which can be solved by variable separable. This is the very easiest method. Let us start separating the variables, variable x and dx one side and variable dy and dy another side. This it can be written as dy by y minus 1 equal to x into dx. So the solution is integral 1 by y minus 1 dy equal to integral x dx. We know integral 1 by y minus 1 dy equal to log mod y minus 1 equal to integral x dx is equal to, use the x power n dx form, so x square by 2 plus c. It can be written as 1 by 2, it can be written as 1 by 2 means 0.5 x square plus c. This is the one solution of the given differential equation. Check options. Option B is option B and option D is the wrong, not satisfies. So option A and C, which one is the correct? So first next we take second solution in the options. In option A, the second solution y equal to 1, differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx equal to derivative of constant is 0, y equal to 1, substitute in the given differential equation. Y minus 1 of x is the given differential equation. Y equal to 1, substitute. 1 minus 1 is the 0. Substitute. So next check option C. The second solution y equal to minus 1, differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx equal to 0. So the substitute in this given differential equation, y minus 1 into x, y equal to minus 1, replace minus 2x. In option A, dy by both dy by dx are equal. So y equal to 1 is a solution of the given differential equation. So option A is a correct answer. Check option C. Both dy by dx are not equal. So y equal to minus 1, not a solution of dy by dx equal to given differential equation. So finally the answer is A. Once again we take another question in GATE 2020 mathematics question. The question is, the area of an ellipse is represented by an equation x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is the given option. Which one is correct in the given options? This is the standard type question in applications of integration. So we know the area of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 is, the formula is pi AB square units. This is a standard type question. So the answer is C is the correct. We take example related to this model. We take an example. Find the area of the ellipse for x square plus 9y square equal to 36. We solve this problem. First, we convert to this ellipse to standard form of the ellipse. Both sides divided by 36, we get x square by 9 plus y square by 4 equal to 1. It can be written as 9 is 3 square, 4 is 2 square. Here A is a 3 and B is the 2. We know the area of the ellipse is the formula, the standard formula pi AB, pi into, here A is a 3, B is the 2. So answer is 6 pi square units. Sometimes they have given in this form also. Thank you.